Florida's largest employer says a change in immigration status could hurt its workforce in the next few weeks, and that could affect your health care. Lee Health says many Haitian immigrants who were allowed to work here after that earthquake devastated the nation back in 2010 will not legally be allowed to work here anymore. This is a change made by the Department of Homeland Security under the Trump administration, and it means they could be out of jobs as soon as next week. 4 in Your Corner's Jasmine Miner working to get you answers on this. Jasmine?
Patrick, we already knew many of these Haitians would be deported in 2019, but for many Haitians living here, they won't be allowed to legally work as soon as next week. The phones have been ringing off the hook.
DeMine Immigration Law Firm.
At least for Fort Myers immigration attorney Indira DeMine, who says the Haitian community faces another battle.
January 22nd is when their work permit is going to expire.
Many of these immigrants were allowed to work through an employment authorization document, or EAD. Normally, immigrants could reapply, but this time?
There isn't a new form yet, so people are not able to file for their new EAD as of the moment.
And filing doesn't come cheap. It comes with hefty fees that total nearly $500 per form. And it won't just affect immigrants.
And it puts a lot of employers in a bad situation. You're in that limbo where you can't keep an employee on.
And one of those employers stuck in the middle? Your local health services. Indira says many of her clients are employees of Lee Health who received notices their work permits needed to be renewed.
Legally, they have to let them go, even though the law says we're going to, extend this TPS program.
Lee Health tells Fox 4, we are disappointed that the federal government has not reopened the work reauthorization process. It is our hope that the government will extend work authorization for our team members and other Haitians in our community. Indira, who immigrated from Guyana when she was 15, says she's watched families being torn apart.
It's very heartbreaking because I have to tell them, you have to think about, do you want your children to return with you or do you want to leave them with someone?
The Immigrant Legal Resource Center says deporting all Salvadoran, Honduran, and Haitian TPS holders would cost taxpayers $3.1 billion. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security says the special status for Haitians is no longer necessary because Haiti has significantly recovered from the 2010 earthquake. Jasmine Miner, Fox 4 in your corner.
All right.